Welcome to Healthier Sweet Choices. Did you know that the type of sugar you consume can have a significant impact on your health? Whether you're managing blood sugar levels, cutting calories, or just exploring healthier options, there are plenty of great substitutes for sugar that you can try. In this video, we'll explore some of the best alternatives to sugar, their benefits, and how they rank on the glycemic index GI. Let's get started. First up is coconut sugar made from the sap of coconut palms. It's less processed than regular sugar and has a GI of around 35. That's much lower than white sugar, which makes it great for managing blood sugar levels. Fun fact, coconut sugar contains minerals like potassium, magnesium, and zinc. It's perfect for baking cookies or sweetening your morning coffee. Next on the list is agave syrup, a sweet liquid from the agave plant. With a GI of about 15, it's a low GI option. But here's the catch: agave is high in fructose, so moderation is key. It's great for drizzling over pancakes or adding a touch of sweetness to your iced tea. Erythritol is a superstar in the world of sugar alternatives. With a GI of 0 and almost no calories, it's a go to for keto and low carb diets. It's ideal for baking, but heads up, too much can cause a little tummy trouble, so use sparingly. Molasses isn't just for cookies, it's packed with iron, calcium, and potassium. With a GI of about 55, it's similar to sugar, but with more nutrients. Use it in marinades or to add a rich, bold flavor to baked goods. Stevia, the plant based sweetener that's 300 times sweeter than sugar. With a GI of 0, it's a fantastic choice for those with diabetes or anyone avoiding sugar altogether. Whether it's in powder, liquid, or tablet form, stevia is perfect for sweetening drinks and desserts. Monk fruit sweetener is a natural, zero calorie alternative derived from the monk fruit. With a GI of 0, it's an excellent choice for those managing diabetes or reducing sugar intake. Its sweet taste comes from natural compounds called mogrosides, and it works well in drinks and desserts. Maple syrup isn't just delicious, it's also a natural sweetener with a GI of around 54. Packed with antioxidants and minerals like manganese and zinc, it's perfect for pancakes, waffles, and even savory marinades. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Last but not least, honey, a natural sweetener loaded with antioxidants and antibacterial properties. Depending on the type, its GI ranges from 45 to 65. It's versatile and works great in teas, marinades, or as a topping for toast. Pro tip: use sparingly for maximum health benefits. And there you have it, your guide to the best sugar substitute. Whether you're choosing coconut sugar for its minerals or erythritol for its 0 calorie magic, these options can help you sweeten smarter. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more healthy tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.